The next feature, the sweep boss. The sweep boss is need to sketches the profile and the path to sweep your sketch. So let's first make a sketch on the front plane, and let's make circle and exit that circle. So we have the circle drawn on the origin, and let's make a path for sweeping that circle. So think about the path should intersecting with that circle and be perpendicular to that circle. So let's select the top plane. So we have that plane is perpendicular to that circle, and insert sketch in that plane, normal 2. And here you can start the path for sweeping that circle. So we make it lines. So let's now activate the sweep. We also could use the spline. So the path here is selected as sketch ribbon, and the profile we can select that circle. So we sweep that part. And the option, you have different option. For example, keep normal to the path. So in this, so you have this normal to path. So let's edit that feature again, and you can twist along the path. So for the twisting, you need some kind of angular path to twist around. So let's go to the guide curves. So in this case, you have only one curve, so it will be enough. If you have different curves, you can select from here. It's quite advanced, and then okay. So let's make undo and start it from before. Let's edit that sketch and make that line to be, let's remove that horizontal relation, as we know how to deal with that. Make that line to be kind of inclined. Now activate the sweep, the profile, the path. So now you change that way of sweeping. Thin feature, you already know about it. Okay, and here you have your sweep path.